Quick Shutting Stem Extraction Check Valve Series. Quick Shutting Steam Extraction Check Valve is one of the high-performance products independently developed and produced by Shanghai Power Plant Valve Factory Company Limited. Its main structural features are metal seal. The check valve adopts swing planar metal seal structure. The sealing surfaces of the valve clack and the seat are welded with hard alloy. After hardening treatment, they are resistant to high temperature, high pressure, erosion, and impact. The sealing is reliable. Anti-blowout valve stem. The valve stem adopts forged one-piece design. The tail of the valve stem is equipped with a shaft shoulder to prevent the valve stem from blowing out under pressure. Pneumatic Hydraulic Actuator. When the actuator adopts compressed air as the propulsion, if everything works well, the compressed air will be connected to the pneumatic actuator through air supply control valve, pneumatic FRL, and solenoid valve. The piston and piston rod of the pneumatic actuator will be moved upward by the propulsion, disengaging the engagement between the shutting mechanism and the valve stem. In this case, the check valve operates as a freely swinging check valve. When the main throttle valve shuts down or the unit is under load, the solenoid valve acts. The compressed air source will be cut off. The compressed air of the lower part of the pneumatic piston will be discharged. The piston rod will be moved downward by the spring force. The valve clack will be closed. The backflow in the pipe medium will be terminated quickly. Nominal pressure 600 to 2,500 pound. Through diameter DN 4 to 28 inch. The valve is suitable for coal or gas generator sets. It is a special valve to protect turbine generators. Its main medium is steam, and it is made of carbon steel, high-temperature alloy steel, and other materials, which can be chosen according to the actual working conditions.